Previously on The Fresh Rinse.
Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Look forward to talking to you soon. More videos coming up in the next few days. Mike, The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.
On today's episode of The Fresh Rinse.
Today is a big day. I mean, like a really big day. Today is the day that we get Jazzy ready for a full season of work. I began washing on Monday. Today's Saturday. We've got a lot to do. One of the first things we're going to do is completely unveil all of Jazzy's equipment. It was Thanksgiving the last time Jazzy was fully exposed, and today we're going to get Jazzy completely ready. But before we do, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Hit the bell tab and you and I will get to spend lots of time together. Let's get busy. Something else that makes today such a special day is that today we have our very first employee showing up to help me do all of Jazzy's unveiling and setup. In 10 years of business, I've yet to have an actual employee. I've had a few figments of my imagination, Carlton, Mr. Wilson, and a few others, but a real live breathing employee I've never had. I covered all of Jazzy's equipment at the end of last season with grill covers that I got from Amazon. You can go back in my channel and you can see that episode. In fact, I'll be sure and leave a link in the comments. Now that the equipment is uncovered, I need to access the control panel where I have 3 fuse boxes. One for the machines, one for the reels, and one for my 12 volt, and it also connects to my Flow Pro. At this point, everything should be working. All right, let's see if I have power to the 8 gallon per minute machine. I do. In fact, I have 2,113 hours on the 8 gallon a minute machine. I'll still need to connect my battery to the 10 gallon a minute machine and get that started. In the meantime, I'm going to connect my supply hose to my buffer tank, fill the buffer tank with water, and then we'll see if the 8 gallon a minute machine starts. Okay, now that I have water going into the buffer tank, I'll begin working on the 12 volt. I put the 12 volt in storage for safekeeping. I drained it of all its fluids. All should be well. Connect the cam locks. See if she starts up. There she is. Let's try out the 8 gallon a minute machine and see how she runs. Most of you know my method of winterizing is simply removing the check valve. The check valve is exactly where it was last year when I disconnected it and winterized. If you're interested in knowing how I winterize my equipment, go back into my channel. In fact, I'll leave a link in the description to my last winterizing video. Simply tighten the check valve. Here we go. One more time. good. Took it out. Okay, we've got the 8 GPM machine up and running perfectly. It's now time to set up the 10 GPM machine. Now all we have to do to get that into operation is to remove the hose from the 8 GPM machine and hook up the 10 GPM machine. So we have our pressure hose ready. Here we go. First time since Thanksgiving. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so we have the 8 gallon a minute machine working properly, the 10 machine working properly, and the 12 volt. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm ready to wash on Monday. Been working on this all day long. My new employee was supposed to show up, but don't you know it? First day on the job, no employee. So what do you do?
Hi, sorry I'm late. I overslept.
Michaela.
I know, on the first day too.
First day.
I know.
You know, you could have got paid for the whole day.
I know. I didn't think my alarm went off.
You didn't think it went
didn't think it went
off?
off.
Okay, so as I said, I had a big surprise. The Fresh has his first employee. Everyone welcome Michaela Carmody.
Hi.
So you'll begin washing on Monday morning.
Right. Yep.
We have 2 opportunities. You're going to be there and you're going to work.
Yep. I'll make sure my alarms go off.
I'll make sure your mom makes sure that you get up.
Yeah.
All right. Great day. Appreciate you joining me. If you have not already liked and subscribed, be sure and do that. Hit the bell tab, and the 3 of us will get to spend lots of time together. My name's Mike. This is
Michaela.
The Fresh Rinse, and we're out. That's it. You did good.
Well.